Wow. Well, it's March and the spring housing market has certainly started to take off and get some legs under it. I want to do our monthly market update and get you into some of this data. So, as always, we're behind the scenes here in the MLS taking a look at last month's data. So, this is from February. Closings that happened in February probably went under contract in January. So, there's always a little bit of a delay. That's why I try to share my in the trenches experiences as well as just the raw data. So what I'm showing you here is inventory. This is the story right now. You can see the inventory in King County, Snohomish County, and Seattle plunging down towards zero. We do not have very many homes on the market right now, which is creating fierce competition amongst buyers. Now, looking at sales prices, this is the median home price for these areas as well. You can see that after peaking last spring, with the interest rates getting cranked so high, it kind of fell off. We had our little autumnal bump as we do. And now the decline seems to have started to level off. So we are no longer going down, we're leveling off. And based on what I am seeing, I expect this to start coming up again. I expect prices to start coming up this spring, as I said. I just sold a house last week that had multiple offers. It escalated to over 100,000 above asking price. I've seen similar things with my buyer clients, even as far south as Renton, multiple offers on property. It depends on the area. It depends on how well the property is presented. Is this a desirable home? And it also depends on your pricing strategy. If you price it at the top of the market, it's less likely to have as much of a buying frenzy as if you're a little bit more moderated with your pricing strategy. But the good news is that buyers are certainly out there. We've already had closings this spring. It's starting to take off after a really slow last couple of months at the end of 2022. So looking forward to seeing you out there in the trenches. If you have any questions about what's going on in the market, just let me know. I'm always here to help. Things are certainly getting busy on my end. So I think that's a really great sign for the market to continue to be strong moving into the future.